God is so very, very good. I'm here doing my devotion at McDonald's, right? So look at my ticket number. Okay, so first of all, I got this number on my ticket, right? And then when the young man he brought my breakfast to my seat. He actually forgot my hash browns, so I had to go back up there and ask him, of course, in a nice way, that my hash browns were left out, and he gave me a double portion, just because they left it out. How good is God? See, it's the simple things that you see when God is favoring you that make a big difference. So show love, show appreciation, even if somebody does something, to forget something in your order. Be kind, be nice, and watch how God blesses your life. Double, double.